How was the experience for you?
The experience was so nice. It was beautiful. I really loved this place, and I'm gonna miss this place when we're leaving soon.
What makes it so nice?
You guys, the pool, honestly, everyone around here in this building, I feel like you guys genuinely care. You guys were there for us when we came back late, and I feel like you guys will be with us even as we leave.
How was your experience?
My experience was amazing. There were so many things that I would like to say. The pool was fantastic. Everything here, the food,
Yes.
everybody here helped us very much, and it was a very pleasant experience.
So, would you recommend Villa Deluxe to your friends and family?
Oh yeah,
Yes.
definitely. I'm gonna tell everyone in the entire school to come to Jamaica and come to one of these,
And come to all of these.
and specifically the house with Miss Nietzsche.
All right, for sure. Thank you, guys. Would you come back though?
Oh
We would
yeah,
always
yeah,
come back.
yeah. I think we will come back actually.